Welcome to Bonnet Pro. Do you need better performing tile and grout cleaners? Check out Rocket Blast, a 12.5 pH. It's got oxy, it's got citrus, and it is fantastic for tile and grout, and it smells wonderful. You can even use it as a booster for synthetic carpet cleaning. This will give you great results and a great smell while you're doing it. But sometimes you still need to do more. That's why we have Grout Shock. Grout Shock doesn't smell like awful, horrible smelling acid. It smells like almond cookies. It smells fantastic. But don't let the great smell fool you, because this is a half pH strong acid that will take out the deeply embedded stains in your grout. So if you get something that a high pH cleaner can't take out, use Grout Shock. And the combination will give you fantastic results and happy customers. Come see why so many people swear by Bonnet Pro. Once you own my products, you too will realize why we're your best choice for tile and grout care. Come see Bonnet Pro today.